Okay, welcome muli po tayo sa aking second game for today. Between clad in white, nope, it's clad in yellow and blue combination. New team introduced po yan. Ayan po ang QDF versus the reigning second place or second runner-up or second runner po ito. Ito po ang In-Flights, clad in pink and white combination. Okay. Second game for today po tayo between QDF and In-Flights. Tanggalin natin to. This is your second game for today between In-Flights or INF versus QDF. New team po ito introduced po sa Aviation Friendly dubbed as a Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors. This is brought to you by Team LBC Hari ng Padala and of course ang SPB DOA and PSBQ Basketball League, ang liga na masikat dito sa Qatar. Yan. Balik po tayo sa ating laro. Second game for tonight po tayo between INF or In-Flights clad in pink and white combination versus QDF clad in yellow and blue combination po sila. New team po introduced po sa ating ligang ito. Is QDF versus In-Flights. And of course, Mamia po, Mamia is the hub or Qatar Lounge versus ito po ang bagong team po, Qatar Airways Sky Team. Mamia po yan. Okay? But first, enjoy muna po natin ito between INF or In-Flights versus QDF. Maverick Valdez is also watching again. Lemuel Atleta is also watching also. Okay, second game now on the way now. We're just waiting for the opening whistle between INF or In-Flights versus QDF. Yan po ang bagong team po sa ligang ito. Sir, ayun sir. Kala ko ano ka, kasi ka. Ibubuot eh. Binuot mo kasi nakarang championship eh. Okay, we're just waiting for the opening whistle po. We're greeting now si Mr. Maverick Valdez and Lemuel Anacleto. This is Simon Glass also sa aking FB page po. Martin Evaristo Vlogs. Martin Evaristo FB page po. And mama po, this will be posted also sa ating Arvin G Vlogs channel sa aking YouTube account naman. This is host with you and we're just waiting. And thank you pala po sa SPB Doha for maintaining the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Second game now between In-Flights or INF versus QDF. Antayin po tayo ng opening whistle, then it's on the way now. Ayan, rep. Ngayon kakaiba ngayon, no? Tipid nga tayo sa AC, no? Parang medyo mainit nga tayo, no? Ang init, no? Oh. Eh, nakaraan yung pambir, para tayong pinipreaser ngayon. Bigla tayo mainit. Okay, Melvin, dito ka sa ano, sa mag-ano ka dito sa ano. Melvin, dito ka sa ano, sa FB ko. Ay, Akain boss, Akain brothers. Okay. Okay, second game now on the way now. QDF versus In-Flights. QDF versus INF or In-Flights. On the way now. First quarter action. QDF, Fernandez, 27-6. Number 14, Ed. Number 30, sa In-Flights naman, si Akain, Villanueva. Number 4. At si Mr. Number 5. Okay. Second game, start now. Nakuha ng QDF ang bola. QDF. Arigay. Number 30. Torndo. Number 6. Intercepted by Burgos. Burgos. Nope. Lost the ball. Number 30. Malakas. Fernandez. Number 15. Intercepted again by In-Flights. In-Flights. Binababa ang bola. Walang pinasahan. Walang pinasahan. Balik muli po sa QDF ang bola. Still, we're still scoreless right now. After 1 minute, wala pa rin po tayo score pareho. Number 6. Number 6. Number 14. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound by Pe. Binabano kay Burgos. Bustos rather. Ed Villanueva. Nice one. Number 5, 2 points. First basket by number 5 ng inang In-Flights. Fernandez. Number 6. Kapos. One more time. Akain hustle. Last touch by number 27. No, it's Akain. That's just Akain. Yes, that's just okay. In-Flights ball. Villanueva, Ian. RJ Masbang watching again. Nesir is also watching. Bustos pops up. No good. Rebound. Protection muna. Baka mami ano eh. Hatim, 27, sorry. No good. Rebound again by In-Flights. Nice one by Bustos. Bustos, 2 points again. Number 20. Number 30, rather. 30. Number 6, binabantayan. 15, Fernandez. Duko sa ilalim, 2 points, number 30. 27, rather, QDF. Intercepted almost. Bustos keeping alive the ball. Pops up. No good. Again, balik muli po sa QDF ang bola. QDF. Driving. Popping. Jolens. Wala. Ingat yan, idol. Ingat. Balik tayo. Fernandez, number 15, shooting for 2. QDF. Number 69, called for the foul. Pops up. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, Fernandez, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala pareho. Isa pa daw. One more time. Isa pa. Fernandez, one more shot. Lane violation. Fernandez. Okay, basket made. 3-4 ang score. Laman ng isa ang In-Flights. INF. Laman po ng isa. In-Flights. Bustos. Akain. Palpal. Nice block by number 30. Fernandez. Slicing. Nope. Out of bounds. Pe. Malakas. Akain. Muntik pa. Akain, shooting for 2. Akain, shooting for 2. Sige, bati sa okay. Malakas pa bati status ko. Okay, Akain, 27, shooting for 2. 27, pops up, it's in. Second shot, Akain. Akain Brothers. Second shot, Akain, pops up, pasok. 6-3. Hop! Lost the ball. Bustos. Hop! Good ball. Ian. Number 6, 18. Bustos. Ian. Mag-isa. Ian against number 27. Pe for 3. Kapos. Arugay. Hop! Traveling violation code. Okay, nagkaroon pa ng confusion po. Arugay committed the traveling violation. 14 seconds to shoot again. Villanueva, 88. Nope, it's Bustos. Nice guard by number 30. Villanueva for 3. Nope, rebound 27, Hatim. Number 14, Harsha. Foul. Take 2. Number 88, Villanueva called for a foul. Harsha, number 30, shooting for 2. QDF, trailing behind by 2 points. 4-6 ang score po natin. Pops up. Pasok. Second throw. Jumpers ready. For Harsha. 30. Second shot. It's in. Both basket made. Number 30. Both basket made. Ian Villanueva. Binababa ang bola. Minamadali. Chris Hormel is watching. Amir Badjon is watching. Akain. And number 8, Bustos, Ian slicing, up, pushing foul called. Jersey number 13 called for a foul ng QDF. Pe for the inbound by Pe, pops up, it's in. Nice shot by number 5. Jersey number 18, basket made. Harsha. Nope, 27. Palpal. Harsha. Pops up. Malakas. Rebound. Akain. But fouled by Arugay. Arugay called for a foul. Shot up po dyan pa sa ating mano po right now. Chris Hormel is watching. Arman Navarez Badio is watching. Maverick Wali is watching. Lemon Aklet is watching also. Whoop! Harsha, binabalik sa Akain. Dish pass, intercepted by Harsha. Harsha, binababa ang bola. Harsha mag-isa. 27, kick pass, ayun! Malakas! Isa pa. Pops number 3. Kapos. Good ball. Bustos. Pe, malakas ang pasa. Pe, driving. Good ball, out of bounds. Change player. Okay, second lineup, of course, si Roy nandyan. Okay, good. Second lineup now for QDF now is Roy and company versus nandyan po si Mercado. Mercado and company also nandyan din. At bola po ng In-Flights. In-Flights. Nice one. 2 points in flights. Okay, binababa muli po ng QDF na ng bola. QDF kapos. Same ball. Roy inbounding. Roy, number 7. Number 1, Jason to Roy. Lost the ball. And held ball. Whose ball, rep? Okay, in-flights ball. Bola po ng in-flights. And to Mercado. Binababa ang bola. Mercado. Intercepted almost. Pops up in flights. Yes, sir. Bank shot made. That's Barredo. Barrero, rather. Z. Lost the ball. Balik muli po sa team in-flights ang bola. Oh, sorry. Touch by in-flights. Again, Z. Number 15. Intercepted by Jason. Z again. Intercepted by in-flights. Again, binababa ng in-flights ngayon ng bola. Mercado again. From Manapat. Manapat again from Mercado. Mercado. Pops up. Open J. Foul called. Foul number 1. Mercado shooting for 2. Number 1, Jason called for the foul. First person po yan. Mercado shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in. Second throw by Mercado. Second throw ni Mercado. Mercado, second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. It's in. Both the basket made by Mercado. Binababa po ngayon ang bola ngayon, number 20. Number 20. Oh, it's traveling cold on QDF. Balik muli po tayo ngayon sa in-flights ang bola. Mercado, binababa niya ang bola ngayon. Pops up Mercado. 2 points. 2 points kay Mercado. Hasang batakin si Mercado. Z. Roy for 3. Nope. Rebound battle by in-flights again. To Mercado. Mercado. No good. Oops. Good ball. Good ball. Nice hustle by Mercado. Up. Held ball situation. Okay. QDF. Ball pa ng QDF. QDF ball. That's Bison. Pinasa kay Z. Roy. Pops up. Pull up J. No good. Rebound. Battle 1 by Bison. No good. Rebound by in-flights. Mercado again. Mercado. Pops up. Nope. In and out. Again. In-flights again. On the attack. In-flights. Barredo. No good. Woy! Loose boss pa. Number 25 called for the push. Balik po sa QDF ang bola. The score is 5-17. A 12-point lead advantage being posted no, by in-flights, INF. Bison. No good. Rebound again by in-flights. Intercepted and kicked out by Z. Last touch by Z. Nice hustle. A minute mark remaining now. 5-17 ang score po natin yun. After this po is, of course, ang Team Hub versus Team Mercado. 2 points again, Mercado. 5-19 ang score. A 14-point lead now being posted na by Team in-flights. Z. Roy, fadeaway shot. Nope. Jason, naka-rebound. Jason again. Number Z again. Z. Oy! 3-second violation called. Arman Baljor is watching. Chris Hormilo is watching also. Op. White ball. 19 seconds remaining. 5-net na score. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Foul. Almost had it. Okay, si Pareño shooting for 2. Yan po yung nagpanalo. Yan po yung nagpanalo po sa in-flights sa 40s dati ng Doha Friendly League. Over Airport United. Second shot by Pareño. Jumpers ready. Pops up. It's in. 9 seconds remaining. Pass. No good. And that's it. First quarter's drawn to a close. You're watching right now the game between In-Flights or INF versus QDF basketball. And after this, will be followed by the Hub versus Qatar Airways Sky Team. Third game po yan for tonight. Maraming salamat po. And balik muli po tayo sa laro po ng In-Flights and QDF. Yes. Okay, second quarter action on the way. Okay, Mr. Pep for the inbound. Si Akaoy nandyan din. Si Philip Cinco, si Claveria, and si Bacchiano. Kabila naman po, of course, nandyan po naman po sa QDF. Si number 33. Si 27, 26 si So. At si number 30. Okay po, si Pe. Yan po yung nagbitbit din tibla sa 40s dati. Okay, back to the game. Second quarter start. Borlasa. Crossover move made. Pops up, no. Philip Cinco, binabantayan. Pops up. 2 points. Bacchiano, 2 points. Bacchiano, 2 points. Harsha rather. Pops up, Hashim, 2 points. Pull up J. Turn up J by Hatim, 27. 5, 7, 23 for sure. Ang kanisko po niyan. Pops up. 3 points made. 5-25 and score. Zhao. Hop. Lost the ball. Bacchiano. Malalim. 2 points made. Again by number 18. That's Borlasa. So, intercepted almost. Same ball, QDF. Bola muli pa ng QDF pa rin po tayo. Harsha inbounding. And now to Zhao, to Harsha again. Zhao. So, malakas. Rebound battle and same ball for sure. Same ball yan. Nice hustle play by Pe. Same ball po rin po tayo. Harsha. Pops up. Kapos. Akain. Philip Cinco. For 3. Nope. Rebound by Harsha. JM. Binababa. JM. So. Palpal. One more time. Nope. Harsha. And one play. Harsha, 2 points plus bonus free throw coming up. 9:27 score po natin. An 18-point lead advantage been posted already by Team In-Flights sa ating second quarter action. Time remaining 7:48 remaining. So, 2 points. So, 11-27. A 16-point lead. 16-point lead advantage already. Roy Cream is watching. Philip 5. Borlasa for 3. Nope. So, for the rebound. Bigyan mo by So. Hatim. So, hoop shot. Nope. Borlasa, binababa ang bola. Borlasa. Out of bounds. Balik po sa QDF po niyang bola. QDF ball. The Yellow Boys. Xiao. Hatim. Pops number 3. No, tapos. No, it's Harsha. Out of bounds. Okay. Binababa ang bola. PE. 5, Philip. Akain. Bacchiano, no good. Rebound. JM. Hasim. Harsha. Nope. Malakas. Hatim, binababa ang bola, Hatim. Oy! Lifting boss. Timeout called by In-Flights, INF. Okay, ano mo tayo? Maghanap buhay muna tayo. Last game. You're watching right now In-Flights versus QDF. And this game is brought to you by the following sponsors. Team LBC, hari ng padala at Thread the Needles. Sampo natin po dyan ang SPB Doha and of course PSBQ Basketball League. And of course, you're watching right now In-Flights versus QDF. And mamaya po, final game po tayo for the day between the Hub versus Qatar Airways Sky Team. Back to the ball game. Akain for the inbound. Pinasa kay 5, Philip 5, binababa ang bola. Philip 5. Number 18, Borlasa. Bacchiano. Intercepted by Harsha intercepted. Ingwan na. 2 points Harsha. 13-27. Again, intercepted by Harsha. 2 points again. Back-to-back field goals by Harsha. Back-to-back field goals already. 15-27. A 12-point lead advantage only now enjoyed by In-Flights. Akain for 3. Bang! Akain 3 points. Xiao. 5 minutes 14 remaining. Xiao. Uy! Hatim. No good. Philip 5. Philip. Borlasa. Pops up. No good. Rebound by JM. Intercepted by Pe. Pe against the team. Pe. Pinasa. Akain for 3. No good. Pinasa na. So. Naku, sayang. One more time para kay So. Foul! Ay, traveling cold. Sorry. Traveling cold on So. Change 5 po tayo. The score is 15-30. Laman po ng 15 ang INF over QDF. Okay, second 5 po tayo. That's Roy and Company versus Bustos and Company. Along with Villanueva and Company po tayo. kabila naman po, nandiyan po si 22 ng in-flights. Binababa po niya po ang bola. Bustos. Guard position. Palmares. Ariola rather. Ariola again. Pops up for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points, sorry. Ariola, 3 points. Bernan Macalino is watching. Jepox Carmon is watching. Nanonood pa kayo. Naka-live ka pa. Okay, Fernandez. Nice pass. Naipit. Arugay. Out of bounds. Palmares. Ariola, binababa ang bola. Ariola. Pops up. Nope. One more time. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Roy. Roy. Arugay. To Roy. Roy. Arugay again. Hop. Nice play by Arugay. No good. Roy for the rebound. No good. And Ariola, 2 points. 5-53. Villanueva against Arugay. Number 7 against Ariola. Fadeaway shot. 7. No good. One more time. Hop. Same ball. In flights. Warning. System. Villanueva, nagmamadali. Lost the ball. Arugay. Torno. Mali, hindi pinasa. Ihandaan pa yung pagpapasahan. Palmares. Nice pass. And one play sana. 2 minutes 12 remaining. 15:35 at 20 point lead. Advantage now been posted by INF or in-flights. In-flights. Pareño shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in. Second throw. Jumper siya rin Pareño. Pareño. Wala na. Pasok muli. Wait na tayo. Fernandez. Guard well by Ariola. Nice pass. Palpal. Roy. Oy, Scott, yung tsokolate mo nandito. Yung tsokolate mo nandito. Ha? Pakinin ko to. Eh, paano? Uwi ko pa to. Okay. QDF ball. Bola pa ng QDF. Oh! Against Villanueva. Villanueva. Nope. It's Pareño. Malakas. Hop. Yellow ball. A minute and 33 remaining. Arugay. Binababa ang bola. Arugay. Up. Offensive foul called. Ha? Ba't ganyan pa niya? Oh, sorry. Holding foul pala. Holding foul. Arugay for the inbound. A minute remaining. Pops up. Number 7. Nope. Rebound. Malakas. Rebound by Barredo. Pareño. Number 11, Pareño. Dukot si lalim. Wala. Torno. Arugay. For 3. Bang! 3 points sa Rugay. Rugay, 3 points. Ariola naman. Ariola. Foul. Init. Woo. Jersey number 15 called for the foul. Ariola. Nope, it's inbound. Not active shooting, it's inbound. Baredo, inbounding. Dukot sa ilalim, malakas. Roy, naka-rebound. Binato na. Malakas ang pasa. Balik muli po sa in-place ang bola. Villanueva, Ian. Baredo for 3. Nope. Arugay. Wala na. That's it. End of the first half. Halftime po tayo. Okay, halftime po tayo. The score is 18-37. Laman po ang in-place po ng 19. Before that, calling na po ating next game for the day. Hablons versus Sky Team. Nasa na kayo? Magta-third quarter na po. Maraming salamat po. Pero before that, manood muna po tayo ng Inflights versus QDF. This game is brought to you by the following sponsors: Threadneedle Needles and Team LBC, Hari ng Padala, and of course, powered by SPB Do and PSPQ Basketball League. Okay, third quarter coming up. Seymour G. Formers watching. Sa time Matay Sand is watching also. Mercado for the inbound. Okay, ito na. Borlasa. Number 18, Borlasa. Mercado. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. JM for the rebound. Binababa. Ayan, Roy. No good. One more time. Roy again. 2 points, Roy. Sa wakas. 20-37 at 17-point lead posted still by In-Flights. Mercado. Op. Akain for 3. Nope. Pops up. Malakas. Hop. Foul called. Jersey number 20 committed the foul. Number 15, JM. Harsha. 3-second violation called. 3-second violation called. Mercado for the inbound. Wala si Kim. Borlasa. Guarded. Stolen. Harsha. 2 points, Harsha. Harsha, 2 points. Mercado against Harsha. Nakalusot si Mercado. Mercado. 6 seconds away. Pops up. Nice D. Binato. Malakas. Akain. Nice D. Naku, niluwa. Hatib. Oy! Nice hustle play by Mercado over Hatim. Bakiano, binababa ang bola. Harsha against number 18. Lost the ball. Again, good defense. One play made sa wakas. And one play made. Yan po. Kontak na ako dito, di ba? Kontak center. O, ano na. Nag-ano sila. Nag-merge si Bang Jinjin mo. Okay. Okay, balik tayo. Mercado, binababa ang bola. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by Akain. One more time. Akain. Oopsie daisy. Who's ball rep? Yellow ball. Yellow ball. Zia. Harsha. Harsha. 2 points, Harsha. Harsha, 2 points. Hey! JM. Nope. Rebound. Number 18. Pops up. Nope. No good. Bababang pasa. Okay, 7 minutes remaining. 26-37. An 11-point lead been posted only now by In-Flights. Intercepted by Hatim. Against Ariola. Hatim. Roy. Z. No good. Roy. And one play, Roy. Roy, bonus free throw. Pops up. It's out. Rebound, Hatim. Roy for the rebound. Swiped away. Oh! Ariola takes some control in the ball. Ariola pops up. No good. Rebound. Their team. No touch last. Same ball. Touch last. Their team. In-Flights ball. 14 seconds shot clock again remaining.
14 shot clock.
Adiola. Intercepted. Nice interception. JM. Naku, sayang. Ariola taking 3. Nope. Ayaw niya. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Their team. Good ball. Nice interception by Ariola. And Akain. 2 points Akain. Kinaluwa pa. Ginamit niya. Hatim. Inbound. Bring down the ball to Z. 28-39. 11-point lead remaining. Hatim. Turn around. No good. Ariola. Number 8, Ariola. And to Borlasa, Ariola again. Pops up, Jonas. Out of bounds. Balik muli po sa dilawang bola. Nonong Rivera is watching. Christian Torino is watching. Ray Krim is watching. At many more. You're watching right now the second game for today between QDF and In-Flights. This is your aviation friendly Dabas of Flying League. Brought to you by the following sponsors, Trade and Hills and Team LBC, Hari ng Padala. Technical foul awarded on Team QDF. 6 players inside the court. Pareño shooting for the technical free throw. It's out. Bola po ng QDF muli. Okay, Raven Kabing Kimales. Good luck po sa inyo in flights. Nasa ka, boss? Boss, 28-39, laman po kayo. Again, Ariola, 2 points. 28-41. Sir Kimales, 28-41, 4 minutes 41 remaining, third quarter action. Pops up. No good. One more time. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Battle won by Claveria. Jason called for a foul. Baredo, 22 inbounding to Ariola again. Pareño, no good. Rebound. Hop, one more time. Pareño, fresh 14. Ariola. Claveria, no good. One more time. And nakuha mo ni Pareño yung bola. Stepping on the line. Okay, balik muli tayo. Big duty at Sir Kimales. Zhao. Nice one. Arugay. Roy. Zhao again. Jason. High looper shot. Roy. Malakas. Eto na. Pareño. Ariola, binitbit. Oh, si Daisy, traveling cold. 3-minute mark now. Nasa na po ang Dahab at team Jason. Hop! Traveling cold. Okay, calling now Hub and Qatar Airways Sky Team. Nasa na po kayo? Magpo-fourth quarter na po. Maraming salamat po. Pareño. Foul po. Sumabit. Sabit. And Pareño shooting for 2.
Jason, that's your third personal foul.
Jason, pangatlo na po yan. Third person foul already converted by Jason. 2 minutes 21 remaining. Third quarter action. Pareño converting. One more shot given. One more shot given to Pareño. Sorry, excuse me. Pops up. Wala. Roy naka-rebound. Jason. Zhao. Jason again. Jason pops up. Roy naka-rebound. No good. And Claveria. Nice one. Muntik lang. Villanueva committed. Villanueva shooting for 2. Number 88. Shooting for 2. Ian Villanueva pops up. It's in. Second throw. Villanueva jumpers ready. Second throw. Jumpers ready for Ian Villanueva. Pops up. It's out. Pareño naka-rebound. Pareño. Villanueva again.
2 minutes.
Pareño. Villanueva. Claveria. Whoop! Traveling colleague. Okay, balik muli po sa team QDF ang bola. 28-43 ang score. Harsha. Roy, walang pinasahan. Ian. Pareño. 2 points Pareño. 2 points Pareño. Harsha. Roy. To Harsha again. Harsha. Whoop. Okay, Q-dep ball. Sabi na Q-dep ball daw. Scott, yung tsokolate man nandito, nagagawin ko rito. Kinalimutan mo. And timeout called by in-flights. The score is 28-45. Lamang na lamang po ang in-flights. After in-flights and Q-Depo will come now. The last game for today is Hub and Qatar Airways Sky Team. Before that, let's enjoy for the game between in-flights and QDF. Back to ball game po tayo. 58 seconds remaining, third quarter action. So, bola po ng QDF. Ang bola, 26 for the inbound ng QDF to Harsha. Harsha, binababa ang bola. Harsha, bring down the ball. Harsha, 6 sign away. Foul by Pe. 69, called for a foul. Harsha, number 30, shooting for 2. Pops up. It's out. Second shot, Harsha. Jumper ready. Harsha, second throw. Pasok. 29-45 at 16-point lead advantage being posted by team in-flights. Pops up, Peredo. No good. Rebound by Atim. JM. So, malakas. One more time. Parang iso. JM. JM. No good. Dalaw sila. Out of bounds. Malakas ang pasa.
20 seconds.
70 seconds remaining. Hatim against Pareño. Hatim nakawala. Hatim running shot. Tapos. 7 seconds remaining. Pareño pops up. Bang! Pareño, 2 points. End of third quarter, the score is 29-47. An 18-point lead, been advantage, been posted by Team In-flights. Salamat po, In-flights. Sige. Yan po kay boss. Okay. Team In-flights enjoy an 18-point lead coming to the fourth quarter. Back to the ball game, guys. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo, mga boss. Fourth quarter action is on the way. Ouch. Rigo. Okay, final 10 minutes of the ball game. QDF inbounding. JM. JM for the inbound. To Harsha. Harsha inbounding. Nope. Harsha driving. Nakuha ng pick. Harsha. No good. Mercado against Harsha. Philip 5. Malakas. Hop. Same ball. 8 seconds remaining. 8 seconds to shoot. Pakain. Block by So. Pakain. Block by So. Harsha. Pops up. So. Kapos. Mercado. Philip 5. Saving the ball. Nope. It landed in the wrong hands. Out of bounds. Balik muli po sa Intel Zambola. Substitution made. Roy, labas. Roy, pasok. Para kay Mr. So. Mercado. Pops up. Akain, 2 points. Akain, brother. Harsha. Sayang. Roy, 2 points, Roy. Katim, rather. Akain. Mercado. Mercado pops up. 2 points, Mercado. Roy. Harsha again. Harsha. Foul called. 31-51 at 20-point advantage again. Been posted by Team In Flights. 8 minutes 33 remaining. Harsha. Wala. Second shot. Jumper ready. Harsha. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Roy. Roy again. And one play made. Basket is good. Roy, number 7, shooting for 2.
Sorry, jersey number 18.
Number 18 called for a foul. Roy shooting for the bonus free throw. Pops up. It's in. 3-point play completed. Roy, 3-point play completed. A 17-point lead been posted only by In-Flights. 7:25 remaining. A team versus number 18.
14 shot clock.
Bakiano against the team.
10 shot clock.
5 for 3. Nope. Roy for the rebound. Number 7. Driving strong. 2 points. 15-point lead been posted only by In-Flights. Nice one by Bakiano sana. Pero still not enough. Intercepted. Foul called. Foul on number 7. Timeout In-Flights. Lahati yun. Six minutes 37 remaining. The score is 36-51. Laman po ng 15 ang In-Flights. Back to the ball game. Mercado for the inbound. Ariola. Number 18. Ariola again. Mercado. Mercado. Foul. Shooting for 2, Mercado.
Jersey number 30. That's your first personal foul.
Jersey number 30 called for a foul. Mercado shooting for 2. 6:06 remaining. Pops up. Wala. Second throw. Jumper shot. Second free throw. Jumper shot for Mercado. Wala pareho. Rebound by a team. A team naka-rebound. A team. Oh, 3-second violation. 3-second violation called on Roy. Balik muli po tayo sa team in-flights for the inbound. Mercado to Arriola. Arriola binababa ang bola. Arriola, shake and fake. Arriola, nawala. Foul called. Foul called by jersey number 15. That's Fernandez. Substitution muna po. Pareño in. Number 18 out para sa in-flights. Mercado for the inbound. Arriola binabatay yung number 15. Lindsay. Pareño against sa Harsha. Nawala ang bola. Akain. Nawala nata ng tuloy ng bola. Z. Roy. Binababa ang bola. Roy. 2 points, Roy. Nag-improve siya eh. Don't look now. It's a 13-point lead rather. Foul called. Offensive foul rather called on Arriola. Hawi, hinahawi. Harsha. Roy. Grabbing strong. No good. Z. Wala pa rin. Z again. Wala. Roy. Foul. Si Enrico. 4 minutes 38 remaining. Roy for the first shot. It's out. Second throw, Roy. Jumper's ready. Pops up. No good. Rebound, Harsha. Harsha. Traveling violation. Tinawag. Pops up, ayaw. Akain, palpal. Block by Roy. Lost the ball again. Okay, that's it. QDF ball. JM for the inbound. To Z. Roy. Malakas. Eto na. Mr. Arriola. To Mercado. Against Roy. Arcain. No good. Rebound Hatim. JM. No good still. Harsha. No good. Wala. Mercado. Pareño 2 points. Pareño 2 points. Roy, wala. Roy again. Good ball. Last touch. White ball. White ball. Dave Peri. Oy, Dave, gas na kayo. Panayin nyo. High looper shot. Last touch.
Second shot in the rim. Shot clock 12. 12 seconds to shoot.
Bola sa 2 points. Sneaky play. Harsha. Harsha, 2 points. Harsha, 2 points. Mercado. Ariola, 3 points. Wala. Rebound by Harsha. Foul called. Wala na ito. Harsha pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by. Uy! Technical foul called. Technical foul called. Na ano lang, pinakain ng bola. Okay, minimiting muna, baka niya tayo. Potential for unspo foul. Potential for unspo foul.
Wala si Logi, iniiwan kami ng si Logi.
Nances, Mercado, si Kimales nasan? Ay, paso si Kimales din. Yung destroyer nyo, wala yung destroyer nyo. Okay, they have to meet it now. And a possible unspo foul to be committed by JM.
This line by Paul was rewarded with jersey number 26. Jersey number 26 of the ball game.
Unspo foul called. 26. Rep. Okay, Ariola for the bonus free throws. Diki foul yan. First shot. It's in. Inyo. Second shot. It's out. Last ball possession. Last ball possession. A minute and 21 remaining. Mercado inbounding. Ariola. Out of bounds. Harsha. Pops up. No good. Mercado. Okay, Ariola. 2 points. 2 points, Ariola. And Roy. Harsha. 2 points, Harsha. No good. Hatim.
30 seconds.
Harsha. Back-to-back field goals, Harsha. Wala, impossible na rin. 19 seconds remaining. No good. Interception by Mercado. Okay, that's it. I believe so. Congratulations for winning ball game, Team In Flights. Final score 44-57. Before we go, you've watched already the Team In Flights versus QDF. Congratulations for Team In Flights. And before we go, we'd like to thank final sponsors, Thread and Needles, and Team LBC Haring Padala, SPB Do, and PSBQ. And you watch now the final game, the final game between In Flights and QDF. And standby po tayo po for Hub and Qatar Airways Sky Team. Maraming salamat po and standby po ito po para for the last game for the day.